said in the afternoon in Cairns.
Queensland, Australia, January 16, 2025. Queensland and NSW residents are being warned to brace for more damaging storms as authorities step up efforts to contain up to 200 millimeters of rain. The Bureau of Meteorology is forecasting showers and thunderstorms for Sydney and Brisbane today with locally heavy rain, flash flooding, hail and damaging winds expected to continue this afternoon. The BMKG has also issued a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of the northern rivers, mid-north coast and northern tablelands. In Queensland, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the Wide Bay and Burnett forecast districts, with damaging winds and hail on the horizon. Storm hail has hit the Gold Coast and 25,006 properties have lost power in the state's southeast.
It's really big, look, it's icing. We get hailing.
Tropics never get hail. And I tried explaining to him that hail happens up in the thunderclouds. Hail in the tropics. About 80.
The severe thunderstorms will join a low-pressure weather system that is expected to bring significant local rainfall from today into Sunday. Tomorrow is expected to be the peak day of rain. Flood warnings have been issued with minor flooding possible for Orera, Coffs Coast, Bellinger and Kalang, Manning and Gloucester catchments, Mile River, Karua River, Wallumbie Brook and Lower Hunter, Patterson and Williams Rivers.
Golf ball size hailstones.
The wet weather comes after 4 storms hit the east coast overnight, dumping heavy rain and damaging winds after producing hail in the west. 1 person has died in the central west and 143,000 people have lost power. WeatherZone said 73,700 lightning strikes had struck within 100 kilometers of the CBD and 8,777 had reached the ground.
Must have been a bit of a mini cyclone. The roundabout's a bit blocked.
Oh, now we've just got normal hail.
I don't know whether you can see them, but there's hailstones on the lawn there. You can?
In the 24 hours to 9 a.m. today, 127 millimeters of rain had fallen on Eurobodala, 102 millimeters on Barlows Bay and 70 millimeters on Beaumont. Towns including Mandarama, Araluen and Perisher Valley received around 30 millimeters of rain in half an hour. 4 other people were injured when a detachable camping hut overturned in high winds in Barman, Wagga Wagga about 2:35 p.m., the SES said.
We're getting in the field, isn't it?
Oh, probably about 2 o'clock.
No, but nagulan na guys. Open up. Imagine.
Bureau of Meteorology (BOM) senior forecaster Shane Kennedy said there was potential for localized wind gusts in excess of 90 km per hour. That's likely to be caused by a microburst, which is air descending very quickly and hitting the ground and spreading out, creating damaging wind effects, he said. I think this is a fairly small thunderstorm and it doesn't have any signs that it's likely to produce damaging gusts, so it's not in the warning area. Mr. Kennedy said microburst cause the strong gusts that come from thunderstorms. When rain or hail comes out of a thunderstorm, it can really pull the air down, he said.
There's hail! Oh my God! Hailstorm?